Hello everyone. In this video, we will first locate some buttons and learn several key features of the Yealink T48S ultra elegant IP phone. First, let's get familiar with the phone itself. The T48S is designed with a 7-inch colored touchscreen panel. Almost all of the functions of the phone can be achieved by simply touching the screen. On each side of the screen are 6 line keys for a total of 12. On the bottom of the screen are 4 main options. These options are History, Directory, DND or Do Not Disturb, and Menu. While taking the call, this part will change to Transfer, Hold, Conference, and End Call. Below the screen, on the right side are some straightforward options such as Handset, Mute, Message, Hold, Redial, Transfer, and Speakerphone. In the middle are Scroll Select, OK, Cancel, and Volume key.